So it's our first day in Thailand. What can you say? First day in Thailand.
Good food, bad traffic.
Good food, bad traffic. But
Good
still,
shopping.
good shopping. Really nice place. Thank you to Jure Travel and Tours for arranging our travel. Sure Stay Hotel. 4 minutes away. We're still in Southeast Asia, so it's definitely look like Philippines. So anything you'd like to say?
Tired.
Is it? This is our first vlog, and we have low energy. So we've been here since 10 a.m. Right now it's 6:42 p.m. We went to a Muay Thai gear shop, but right now we're going to Konchong Konprong. The front desk in our hotel recommended this restaurant. They have a really good food, but maaga nagsasara, so wala nang higa-higa. We're just walking papunta doon. This is the place. Yeah. Ayun no, may Michelin. It's a Michelin star. There's a Michelin. Michelin 2020 to 2023. Then we order again. Okay? Cup of cup. Ah, that one. Stir-fried cabbage with soy sauce.
เราพักโรงแรมแน่นอนจนถึงวันศุกร์แล้ว เราจะมาทานอาหารที่นี่เพื่อลองชิมอาหารอื่นๆทุกคืน Thank you Thank you
Kung di kayo mahilig sa manghang, pag na kayo mag-Thailand, wala kayo makakain dito. Abang cup.
Wow!
It's lychee and watermelon. Ang sarap din, man. Sarap. Yan ba lasa ng pakwat natin? Kung matiming kayo ng gantong oras, tahimik. Sa Pilipinas, it's 8:25. Dito, 7:25 pa lang. They will close 9 p.m. So, but I'll make sure kung 9 p.m. lang ba talaga sila magsasara. And I don't think na meron silang ibang franchise or ibang lugar. So, probably dito lang din. Yung name ng place is Konchong Konprong. Sorry kung medyo magulo pa yung video namin. But it's the first video that we'll be ever making na long form and for YouTube. So, please bear with us. So, we'll just enjoy our food. Consume lang namin tong watermelon and then I'll get back to you guys. Thank you so much. Ngayon, parang kanina pa kami nandito 1 hour na. And walang ibang pumapasok kundi mga lineman, Grab. Lineman dito is parang Grab sa atin sa Pinas. Move It, ganyan, Food Panda. Parang ganun sila. So yun lang, puro order lang talaga. Non-stop yung mga delivery order nila dito. Ayun, kung makikita nyo, ayun. Alam mo authentic kasi may electric pan pa sila, oh, 'di ba? Ayan. The food's good. Good food, good community, good yung environment, and highly suggested. Konchong Konprong. Go. Paunahan lang din pala dito. Roti! 7-Eleven ng Thailand. Medyo malamig. Do we need anything? Kasi we're gonna do Muay Thai tomorrow. So, yeah. We're going to do Muay Thai tomorrow. So, yun, tubig. Okay, video. 1 egg roti banana.
Chocolate.
Medyo madilim na eh. Yung hotel namin dito, parang nasa loob siya ng subdivision. For me, this is definitely way better compared to those na in front of the chaos. Parang lahat ng tao dito makasalubong mo magmumuay Thai. So this is our hotel, Sure Stay Hotel. So it's like a hole in the wall. We don't even know that it will exist inside the subdivision, but it's here. So